Hello students, welcome to our today lecture. Today we are covering different data types. Okay, so dear students, what are the various data types that we are using in C++? So basically before we are covering various types of data type, first of all you have an idea regarding what do you mean by data type. So dear students, basically data types is the way which is used to represent your data, which means that whenever you have any data and you want to represent this data at that time, you require a specific type that is known as data type. For example, in a class you have given roll number, so these roll numbers are mentioned in the form of number. If you want to represent this roll number in the form of alphabet, that is not possible. So this means that for representing a specific number we are requiring a specific type that is known as data type. So dear students, these are different types of data type in C++. Number one is derived data type, number two is built-in data type, number three is user defined data type. Now number one is built-in data type, those data type that are already defined in the library of computer system, okay, that are already defined in the library of compiler are known as built-in data type, just like integer, float. Okay, so why we are using integer data type? If you want to represent numerical value, then you can use integer data type. Okay, if you want to represent decimal value, then you can use floating data type. Sometime user can declare data type according to its requirement. So such data type that come under user defined data types are structure, union, class, enumeration. Then also we have derived data type, just like which are derived from previous built data type. Okay, derived data type are array, function, pointer, references. So these are the data types which are derived from those data types that are already defined in the library of compiler. So here we have some basic data type, just like integer, which is used for number. The size of integer is 4 byte. Then we have float data type, which is used for fractional value. Okay, dear students, basically the size of integer is 2 byte. Okay, then we have another, that is float data type. The size of float data type is 4 byte. Then we have double, size is 8 byte. Then we have boolean data type. The size of boolean data type is 1 byte. And also we have character data type, which contain the size of 1 byte. In our previous lecture we can cover all these topics in briefly. So thank you for joining our today lecture.